Welcome to today's show, Old School Thursday. Now they actually call them, and I'm very excited because now time for us to go back to the days.
Yes.
And time for us to take some kind of old school picture, some kind of old school video, and then we get musical review. Yes, there's a new song in town, and we want actually took our insight to know whether make we play them or make we not play them. Yeah, and also we get some African proverbs. And today African proverbs, they're conk like say tomorrow, nothing. So now you go need to put your mouth inside to tell us the meaning of these African proverbs. And we get some celebrity gist, yeah. We get some celebrity gist for us to gist today. A wonderful day, even Cocoa of the Day.
Yeah. Okay, you know what?
I don't give you that Cocoa of the Day. You have to hold that responsible for no Cocoa of the Day. You hold that responsible. Yes. Thank God for everyone to be held responsible for their actions.
Yes.
Oh wow. Now today because Amaka don't get Cocoa of the Day. Una won't come make Amaka bear responsibility.
Lady Coco.
It is not a problem. My face shall show and I shall give you
Cocoa of the Day.
I like when she keep us in
yes, I be like teacher because it's in our old school Thursday. So I need to carry the afro.
People they listen.
Teacher Margaret.
All right, to start off today will be our old school day. We get our old school picture for you. Amaka go tell us who this person be because no say she.
You won't come make me responsible again for the old school picture.
You have to be responsible.
I'm responsible again for all.
Okay, Queen Bee, we should be responsible.
Yeah, so yeah, who could be responsible?
Responsible.
All right, you know, so we know they like to tell you who our what do they call now old school picture be, but make we show this person before I go tell you tips about them. Tips.
Maybe just to give them small. Like, who the person, what do they do?
Na man or woman?
Na man.
Oh,
You want to be fine.
What does it do?
Yeah, beautiful.
You're beautiful. Okay, man just save you.
No, the man is
The man
beautiful.
is a very beautiful somebody.
Yeah,
Go
what
to the
type of
picture? Yeah. Okay, now Snoop Ekita now. Snoop doggy.
Now Tupac Shakur. Yeah. I know, but in case you feel say nobody the person what they talk about today with that, where you feel go talk Twitter, make you go put your own there. Tell us who this person be and you fit with. You fit win our Chacha brand new recharge card today.
Who is this?
Who be this person?
Is it Tupac Shakur?
Yeah.
The Nigerian version of Tupac Shakur.
Na Snoop Doggy.
Ekita. Ekita na dog for my language.
I don't expect that.
No mind these ladies. If you just have the person, just sharply enter at Talk Wazobia for Twitter and at Talk Ajova TV for Facebook. Tell us who the person full name be. We don't want a nickname. We don't want a name where they bear for the movies where he act. We want a full name.
Now movie person.
It's a movie person. It's a singing person too.
Oh, okay.
Is they sing?
Yes, they sing it. No, he joined to sing with people, but
he feature.
He did inside the video or something.
You know, he did the video.
Maybe they just put him to act something.
Yes, yeah, he just be character for the video, not be saying
okay, he not be singing it, but he an artist.
Yeah.
You don't already give the yes.
Now, make them give us correct answer, so we go fit give person.
Can I tell you something? Tupac used to act.
Yeah.
Doggy, they act.
Thank you.
So it can be anybody.
Thank you. So please, we need your answer sharply. Thank you.
All right. So while you're actually sending your answers for you to chocolate our brand new recharge card today, we're gonna need to give you some African proverbs so that we go find the meaning to these African proverbs. Now, number one African proverb. Today's newspaper, now tomorrow's suya wrap.
Literal meaning be say. Today newspaper, when you buy and finish, tomorrow you no go do that again. You use and tie suya.
Okay, my own.
Literal meaning.
It's no, they follow trend. No, they follow trend because it go rain today and tomorrow it no go rain again. So no use all your money invest in trend. Just invest on waiting day good and waiting good last for you.
Maybe for me, I will reason them to nothing good lasts forever in the sense that yes, now newspaper you enjoy them now.
Yeah.
But tomorrow you go turn to dirty. So you need to enjoy it while it lasts.
I agree that one too.
Yeah, enjoy it while it actually lasts.
That won't be better. Enjoy it while it lasts.
Yeah. But it makes suya they very sweet too.
No, but sure, I agree with you because if you go holiday,
Come
if you go holiday outside Nigeria and they give you, say that they put their own inside plates. I understand the packaging. That's paper taste.
So now you're trying to tell me now, say when you go, me I not to the ashiri.
My dear
when
sister.
did I buy fried yam for inside paper?
Hey.
So the taste of the yam,
No,
the sweet
yam
pass.
they different. We say suya.
What be the difference?
Suya.
What be on a paper?
Suya.
On a suya.
Amaka.
You never taste suya where they go do for you package am inside foil wrapper. And that one this.
That is not suya now.
Amaka.
Now waiting.
Amaka, look at me. Amaka, look at me. Suya. For paper.
It's just like saying there is no leaf without moi moi.
Yeah.
Or there's no moi moi without leaf.
Yes.
What does leaf moi moi and leaf rice?
See, now they get
we are going
wrong.
back to
The
Benin,
moi
no.
moi leaf. The leaf they give the moi moi taste.
That is what we're still saying. This
Paper no they give suya taste.
No,
Alright,
it
so
gets
let's end it there then.
it gets
The next
aroma of
one,
paper.
the next African proverb we will actually find the meaning to cow. Where they in a hurry to go America, go come back as come beef.
Bam. Simple. Very simple. They say fly where they no they hear what the follow master enter grave abi.
Yes.
It's almost the same meaning with this cow when we run go where no supposed go. And then when they come back, you go suffer am. Meaning say if waiting no be your own, you dey rush go catch up because no be your time to get them. At the end of the day, that you go suffer am. So face the consequences.
Ma, at this one, onward December, calm down. Christmas will come, go.
December.
And I tell you, another one will come. So no go do waiting, go put you for trouble.
Simple.
Because when they catch you as an armed robber, if now
Army
your first
robber.
time, now your quarter time, now your trial time, where you take go
Testing,
do because
testing.
anytime when
Which
they
one
catch
they
you, they
test?
say na first time. Armed robber is an.
Say no, you don't even know self.
Maybe me I go visit them to yes because say you know say Queen Bee they drive nice car. Amaka she get the best clothes in for inside the industry and then you want just follow the trend. You dey in a hurry to actually get car. Hey, I don't mind any means. So I want get the money. Make I just get them. Tomorrow you go end up inside. Bege.
Serious one.
Yeah. Now the next one again. If life they show you pepper, my guy, make pepper soup from them.
Yes.
Oh, that one this sweet.
Yeah. That's no matter how, no story, no success story where you don't see, where no get times of trials.
No, even at the same time, you go see something where everybody they get difficult time, but out of that difficult time, try find joy for that thing.
Yeah.
Now, as in, if they go through stress now, no matter how that stress take be, there must be one atom of
One thing which
they make you happy for that thing. So that particular thing, just bring them out.
And make and glow.
Make them glow.
Yeah. They say make the best out of every situation. Yes, even though saying a bad situation, smile, stay happy.
You know when they like sing that song with the like sing, suffering and smiling.
No matter
condition.
Like if life throw you lemon, make lemonade.
Lemonade, yes.
Catch the lemon.
If it throw you yam, make pounded yam.
Yeah.
You don't want one.
If throw you
like
cassava,
that.
make fufu.
Yeah, another one. Show to you. Yeah, another one.
If you throw you banana, use and make squash.
Smoothie.
If you throw you rice, make party jollof.
Yes. I don't got the catch now, seriously.
We're bad like that. All right, the next one. Rolling Stone. Of course, na person push am now.
Huh?
Rolling Stone. Of course, na person push am.
Merci. How have to explain that one? Rolling Stone a person push am. So meaning I want look at this side. Yeah. I want try. I want try. Rolling Stone, maybe your success day here. So if you know work towards that success, you go just stay there. Nothing, you no go move. You need to work to achieve. So obviously your success, your success or something will go help you. If you just there, but if you not touch them, you not make attempts, you find work, you sit down for house, that work go, in fact, the work no will come meet you. Now there you go remain and no go move. So simple, Rolling Stone, na person push them. My own.
I go with you.
I agree with her. It just be like say you want to speak English, you want to be everything, but you don't want to pass through school.
Yeah, you
so
want to done.
you feel to speak English, but you don't get the certificate to back them up. So you got to do something to get that thing where you want, so that you go feel measure up with your equal. So do something, not just stay one place. Don't be stagnant.
Don't be stagnant.
Yeah. Move like a river. It's good to move.
Something will make us speak English, then a strong thing. Don't be stagnant. Could be in business today. no be standard, my people.
You know, so we go classes before we come on air.
Yes,
so
we
the
go
English
class.
I want speak for there, I miss am, so I repeat am here.
So the English needs to come out from our mouth very fluently. What's that?
No, but they need to know that I go school.
All right, we don't give you the African proverbs, and we don't actually put our own meaning into them. Now, African proverbs sometimes they actually teach us the right way to go.
Yes.
So you who will know the meaning to anyone who we don't talk today, send us message, enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia, enter Facebook Talk-Wazobia TV. Time for us to do amiibo. Some celebrities they talk some things,
And be ready to answer them, to shook our mouth and talk the talking.
Thank you, darling. No,
talking,
you know, so
talking.
we take some time before.
Yeah.
So I count down.
Yeah.
All right. So now our first celebrity gist concerns Tiwa Savage.
Oh wow.
Now, singer and queen of the Maven, Tiwa Savage, she don't open up about motherhood and the decision where she don't make now to keep her son's name private. Now, according by her, she talks say, well, now the papa decision, no. Every mother wants everyone to see the picture of her baby. I want everyone to see how cute my baby be. But I understand my husband's perspective too. Now, him be the head of the house, so I need to respect his wishes. Eventually, we go reveal the face of the baby, but for now, he wants make only close family and friends make they get special moments to bond with the baby and not share them with the whole world yet. Now, we think she actually don't come out talk. Now, Tiwa Savage and her husband, Tunji Balogun, they actually, Tilbis, they welcomed their pikin for inside UK, July 22nd, 2015. Now, ladies, you go agree to post your baby picture on top social media if your husband tell you not, or rather, you go ahead to post your baby picture on top social media if your husband tell you not to. And you see anything bad in them?
When it comes to family, you know, be alone. It takes so many things to become family. Even me, I buy into her idea. I accept them. I agree. Take your time. Now your time. Now you born the pikin. Decide what you want. But when you don't reach 18, it not gonna be your own again.
Yeah.
So that moment where you get to yourself, enjoy them. I agree with her. Everybody gets their own opinion. Now waiting she agree to her own life. Be that. And if you see the circumstances way around their marriage, relationship, and everything, I go say even go hide them more, hide. You understand? So decision. But me, I go like to try. I go fit so. I'll keep her from Uwi or Amaka or Betiana.
You will keep her for social media. That is the question.
My husband.
I can say no. Uwi look the body, not look the leg, not look the face.
Amaka fit do, she not go show anything on top social media.
No, Amaka sabi am well. You.
Hey, you secret die.
Yeah.
Amaka no
Now
go
public
show
television we there so.
Sorry, we just serious.
How do you
No, but you know, so we family here. Sometimes our matter they come outside.
No, but if my husband say no show, why? Hello,
How are
he's
you?
my husband.
No,
I
but
no go show.
even when you no complain, sometimes you go feel like that.
No, I feel say na my own thing. I don't want show. So I
Yeah.
go keep her na my private thing. If I want now wetin I want make you see, now I go give you. I don't need to give the whole world my life. If I don't want to give you my life, I will give you wetin I want make you know. Don't be if I feel say, okay, I want make you know my full name. My full name na so pam pam. But if I say I don't want make you know anything about my name na Maka full stop.
Yeah.
He end
Like
there.
me, I get 21 names, but now only 2.
Exactly. So if I don't born and I feel say I want make the world see as my pikin beautiful. Make the whole world even know as her hair take the flip, even though my own no they flip. But hello, my husband say don't show. Bam, I lock it up. I no show. Even if deep down inside I say I want the world to see my baby picture.
But sometimes temptation.
I will keep it.
But she tried so far. The pikin don't reach like 5 months.
Now
Now.
only legs they
Exactly.
show.
That
They
is
don't show
Yeah,
them.
not show
hand
leg,
and
na
leg.
hand. Okay, hand. Where it is hold the pikin hand. You even hold one part.
So that is okay for us to see.
We
Why
shall
you
say-
want to know?
We shall not say there's a baby.
There's a baby involved, but see, I respect their decision.
Yeah.
They don't want to show people, especially as you say them be celebrity.
Yeah.
So
For me, maybe they want to do Jay-Z and Beyonce. It's like what some people they come outside talk.
sell the
We don't
picture.
actually know. But the thing be say, like what you talk, not be only one person they marriage. It's you and your husband. And I need to agree on waiting to do. We're gonna need to basketball break. Now you were there. Tell us, you got allow make your wife post picture of na baby on top social media, and you were the woman. You go agree if your husband tell you say make you not post picture on top social media. Now let us know your own opinion. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia or enter Facebook Talk-Wazobia TV. When we come back, Iyanya don't come outside talk something about in relationship. Is he dating or not? We go find out.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.